Dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about 6th standard GK chapter 24 game set and match. Here are some tennis greats who made their mark in Grand Slam events, namely the Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon and the US Open. The first player is Martina Navratilova. Is born American former professional tennis player and coach. In 2005, Tennis Magazine selected her as the greatest female tennis player for the years 1975 through 2005, and she is considered one of the best female tennis player of all time. Next player, Rod Laver, is an Australian former tennis player. He was the number one ranked professional from 1964 to 1970, spanning 4 years before and 3 years after the start of the Open era in 1968. He also was the number one ranked amateur in 1961. He is the second and last male player to win each Grand Slam twice after Ray Emerson. The next player is Petit Sampras, won 14 Grand Slam singles titles during his career, which was an Open era record at the time of his retirement. 7 Wimbledon, 2 Australian Opens and a joint Open era record, 5 US Open titles. He won 64 singles titles in total. He first reached world number 1. Margaret Smith Court is an Australian retired tennis player and former world number 1. She won 24 Grand Slam women's singles titles in her career, 19 Grand Slam doubles titles, and 21 Grand Slam mixed doubles titles. She won more Grand Slams titles than any other player in history and is considered one of the greatest tennis players of all time. She is currently a Christian minister in Perth, Western Australia. Steffi Graf is a German former professional tennis player. She was ranked world number 1 for a record 377 weeks and won 22 Grand Slam singles titles, which ranks second since the introduction of Open era in 1968 and third all-time behind Margaret Court and Serena Williams. In 1988, she became the only tennis player to achieve the Golden Slam by winning all 4 Grand Slam singles titles and the Olympic gold medal in the same calendar year. Chris Evert, known as Chris Evert Laird from 1979 to 1987, is a retired American world number 1 tennis player. She won 18 Grand Slam single championships and 3 doubles titles. Overall, Evert won 157 singles championship and 32 doubles titles. Jimmy Connors is a retired American world number 1 tennis player. He held the top Association of Tennis Professionals ranking for the record 160 consecutive weeks from 1974 to 1977 and a career total of 268 weeks. John McEnroe is a former professional American tennis player. He was known for his shot making and volleyball skills in addition to controversies on court behavior that frequently landed him in trouble with umpires and tennis authorities. John Berg, born 6th June, is a former world number 1 tennis player from Sweden. Between 1974 and 1981, he became the first man in Open era to win 11 Grand Slam singles titles, but he was never able to win the US Open in 4 finals appearances. He is the first male player to win 5 Wimbledon titles in the Open era. He won 4 consecutive French Open and is 6-0 in French Open finals. He is one of 2 male players, along with Roger Federer, to appear in French Open and Wimbledon finals for 4 consecutive years and only one to win both of them for 3 consecutive years. Billie Jean King is an American former world number one professional tennis player. King owned 39 Grand Slam titles, 12 in singles, 16 in women's doubles, and 11 in mixed doubles. She often represented the United States in Federation Cup and the Whiteman Cup. She was a member of victorious United States team in 7 Federation Cups and 9 Whiteman Cups. For 3 years, she was the United States captain in the Federation Cup. Now we are going to discuss about chapter 25 proverb wise. First one, complete the proverbs describing the situations given. The first situation is Shardul was very disappointed at not clearing the entrance exam for getting admission into the IIT, but his mother asked him to persevere with hard work if he wanted to achieve his goal. Dash was not built in a day. The answer is Rome. The second situation, Priya makes fun of Chetan because he is weak in maths. However, she too gets poor marks in science. People living in glass houses should not throw stones. The answer is glass and stones. Third one, the school hired an experienced coach for 3 weeks to train its football team. The players made the most of the opportunity and learned many tips from him. The appropriate proverb is make a while the sun shines. Saloni is a hugely successful and beautiful actress. She works very hard to keep up her glamorous lifestyle. She exercises for long hours at the gym and follows a strict diet to maintaining a slim figure. She has hectic shooting schedules which leave her with little time to relax. The proverb is all that glitters is not gold. When Shaker's father died, he dropped out of college and took up a job. He joined a night college to continue his studies. 3 difficult years later, he passed his exams and became a graduate. He was happy that his struggle had paid off. The proverb is every cloud has a silver lining. Walter works as an engineer, but he wants to be a writer. He wants to quit his well paying job so that he can devote all his time to compose a book of poems. His well wishers want him to consider all the possible consequences of the decision. The proverb is look before you leap.